It was just kind of confusing because I had it set up with the 20 on top and the 30 on bottom. So if we're starting at 0 and we're going up number-wise, let's keep that in mind for a minute, maybe to help myself. So the first number on your sheet is 23, right? We're talking about rounding to the nearest tens place. Okay, if our invisible decimal here, we have ones, tens. Okay, so we're going to decide what to do with this number here. Everything after this number is going to be 0. And this number is between 20 and 30, right? If we're looking at tens. So 20 and 30. Okay, if we had a number line going up, starting at 0, it'd be between 20 and 30. When we're rounding, we take a look at the number to the right, and we decide, is it going to round down to 20 or up to 30? Okay, if it's 0, between 0 and 4, our number directly to the right, then we're going to round down. Okay, so it would go down to 20. If our number is between 5 and 9, we are going to round up to 30. Okay, so what number do we have directly to the right? 3. So we look over here. This is our little key that tells us what to do with it. So I'm going to round down. What am I rounding down to?
0, 20.
Yep, 0, 20. Round down to 20. Okay, 23 is closer to 20 than it is to 30. What's our next one? What's our next number on our worksheet?
45. If we want to put 20, but if we don't.
I'm going to keep this with us here. So our answer for that one's 20, yep. What was the next one?
25.
25.
No, 45.
No.
45? Anything 5, that's alright. 45. We're talking about rounding to the nearest tens place. So which number do we look at? We look at the number right to the right, which is 5. Okay, make a little eyeball in here. Oh, we look over there. Okay, look at the 5, and then what do we do if it's a 5?
We round up.
We round up. Okay, what are we going to round up to?
40. Oh no, 50.
50, right? Because this is between 40 and 50.
I'm already done.
Okay, let's look at a couple more. What's our next one?
58.
58. Okay, we're rounding to the nearest tens, which is our 5. We look at the number directly to the right. What does that tell us to do?
Round up.
Round up. Okay, this is between 50 and 60. If we round up, we're going up to 60.
Wait, what answer is that?
For 58, we're rounding up to 60.
So,
Let's take a look. Are they all tens on that sheet? Yes.
No.
Okay, so we've got hundreds in the next column there. And number 6 says 67. Okay, it's kind of a tricky one. So, our invisible decimals here. This is our ones place. This is our tens place. This is hundreds. Which place are we trying to round to? On number 6.
10.
Let's look at number 6.
100.
Hundreds.
Hey, I finished this.
Look at number 6.
I finished this.
Nathan?
Don't reason with me.
Okay, we're looking to round to the nearest hundreds place. Okay? 67 is between which hundreds? It's between 0 and 100, right? 67 is between 0 and 100. Fair? Right? Okay. So, I need to look at the number directly to the right, which is 6. And what does 6 tell us to do? Round up or down?
One.
Hmm?
You asked me?
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta round up.
Round up. So, if I round down, I round to 0. If I round up, I round to 100. So this, if I'm rounding to the nearest hundreds, would be 100.
So it equals 100.
Alright, let's look at the thousands real quick too. What's the first one in the thousands? Number
789.
789. Okay, it's asking us to round to the nearest thousandth place, which we don't even have a number for. So we're going to look to the number directly to the right and decide, since I'm at 0 thousandths, this is going to be between 0 and 1,000. Looking at the 7, it tells me I need to go up, correct? Right, so I round up to 1,000. 789 is closer to 1,000 than it is to 0.